What's up everyone, this is Crypto Wolf. Welcome to my channel where we give you daily updates on the crypto market. First of all, today I want to ask to the community, can you give me a follow on Twitter? I would appreciate that a lot. I'm getting more and more active on Twitter, and sometimes I will share opportunities more early on Twitter before I share it on YouTube, because I need to make a video about it. It takes a bit of time. So make sure to follow me if you want to see those opportunities. This is my about. Just gonna explain who I am very fast. I am a crypto investor who is passionate about helping others create passive income in the world of crypto and show all the opportunities through my YouTube vids. So if you're interested, give me a follow, and thanks for watching. Thanks for following, and let's get into the video of today. Today we are covering another airdrop. This is the Lum Network airdrop. I will share 4 topics today. First of all, what is the Lum Network airdrop about? Second, what are the requirements to receive the airdrop? The third, how and where can we claim this airdrop? And the fourth of the last thing of today, what is the airdrop worth and where can you sell it? Or to say it more better, where can you access it? So if you come to the page of Twitter, we can see decentralized protocol for businesses to build authentic trust with their customers. You can read this article on Medium. This will give you a lot of information about Lum. But first, let's take a look at this page. If we take at this, we can see Lum Network is an open source blockchain protocol layer 1 based on the Tendermint and Cosmos SDK, the most advanced and secure delegated proof-of-stake algorithm. Lum is the fuel of the Lum network and is used by businesses to benefit from the trust layer, while rewarding their customers by validators and delegators to secure the network and many more. So we can stake this coin also. I will be showing that also today in the video, so make sure to watch until the end. So now we come to the second topic of today. What are the requirements to receive this airdrop? So you can see right here, this is for Atom stakers and OSMO liquidity providers. So the users who have staked a minimum of 5 Atom and provided at least 30 OSMO as liquidity before September 29, 21 are eligible to claim the airdrop. So if you did this, make sure to claim your airdrop. Then we come to the third thing of today, how and where can we claim it? So we just click onto this page. This will bring us where we can claim the airdrop and we can connect with our wallet to see if it's possible to claim. So right here you can check your airdrop and just provide your Cosmos or Osmosis address and then click check airdrop. Once you have done that, you will see your total airdrop right here. Now, to claim it, we go back to the page where we come from. Every link that I use will be dropped in the description of my video, so make sure to use that. Click onto the 5th topic. Visit the Lum Network wallet page. Alright, so now we just click connect with our extension. If you have a ledger, you click right here. And here you can enter, but I wouldn't do this. I would keep it with those two. Alright, extension, Kepler extension, continue. Alright, we are in. So you will see I already staking all my coins, but I will show you how I did it. So here is where you will see your airdrop, and you will see that you have a vesting schedule. So 2 years remaining. But I found a little bug or hack, I don't know how to say it, to receive all your airdrops, and you can already stake them. You will see I have my staked coins right here, but it's including 9,345 vesting tokens. So I only have like 1,000 tokens that I can unstake and sell if I want. But I'm not going to do this. I'm supporting this for the long term. It's also not that big, this airdrop, so I'm not cashing out anything. Just click onto staking above. So this will give you an overview of your rewards. You can claim them. I will claim this right now to show you. Claim rewards, continue, get all the rewards, or modify. If you do modify, you can choose which rewards you want, but I'm just going to do all of them. Continue, get all rewards. Just click approve. Alright, success. So now you will see my current balance is 801 Lum. So now, how can we stake this? We just go to the downside and we can see the validators. As you know, it's good to take a validator out of the top 20, out of the top 50. Alright? But I already did my validator. I already delegated my tokens to this one. But if you want to do it, you just go to a validator, click delegate, just do continue, and then you can choose the amount that you want to delegate. Just click on to modify to choose the amount. Then you can say I'm going to stake 400 tokens, click continue, and it's just going to stake. It's very easy. If you have any problems with it, just leave a comment and I will help you as soon as possible. So for now, I have staked my tokens to this one. If you come to this page for the first time, you will be able to receive a small part of the airdrop and the other part will be vesting tokens, as you could see with my airdrop. So what you need to do to receive all of them and already stake them and earn rewards on them is just when you stake, do the max. And after you stake, refresh, go back. If it says 9,000 right here, and you have 1,000 here, and you stake this 1,000, normally if you refresh, you will see 1,000 of this vesting tokens will come back to here. And if this stays at 0, just try to stake another 1,000 tokens, even if you don't have it on your current balance. And normally it should work. That's how I did it. If you have problems with this, just leave a comment. So that's it. That's all you need to know. Now, the fourth and the last thing of today, what is the airdrop worth and where can we sell it? The airdrop is not worth much. It's now at 1 cent, so I have 10,000 tokens airdrop. Divide that by 100 and we have $100. So I have $100 in this airdrop right now. Now I will show you how to sell it. This is very easy. We just go to Osmosis, connect our wallet. Yes. Then we just click onto assets. Then we go to Lum Network. We click deposit. And then we just deposit, let's say 100 Lum tokens. Deposit. Just approve this transaction. Yes, successful. So now you will see this will pop up your Lum. And here you can see how much is it worth. And if you want to sell it, then you just click onto trade and you can trade your Lum for another currency of choice. If you want to see how, just click trade, choose Lum. All right, choose this one. Let's say you choose stablecoin, USD. All right, just do the max and you will see you receive $1. So if you look at the 10,000, it's $105 right now. So that's the airdrop worth. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and I will come back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you into the next one. Take care everyone. Bye bye.